Hello! To connect your Samsung Galaxy A06 with a car, first you have to go into Settings, Connected Devices and Android Auto. In case you don't have the application, you should have installed it or update it. You probably, after you press this button, you should be forwarded to Google Play Store if you don't have it, or you have to update it. Anyways, when you're in Android Auto, you press Connect a Car button, and you can connect your phone into a car by a cable. Right here you have an instruction. You can also connect it wirelessly by pressing and holding the voice command button. You can also connect your phone to the car using the Bluetooth right here. So basically all instructions are available here, and after connecting you simply just have your phone connected to your car. Thank you for watching.